before Rose beat up her mother.
She never blood clot people life. I want to get weekend and come here come on the go that the whole life to get more time.
I want to do all the blood clot while. Like she a blood clot clown. I want to, me done with her. Me done with the, me hold up my mouth. Yeah. Yeah, what? I've done with her, she crosses. You know, I shall use her 2 times and I look. You know, see? She not real. She evil.
I don't know why.
What? If I go cook, I go wash her dirty shit off her blood clot dead. Me say Moon man, me can't come. Me say Moon man, me can't go for the car. Me can't go for the blood clot car now. And come for you there. You never blood clot no. Oh.
That me say too. I'm not Rosie, I can't artist. So she not cook from the guest come.
Cook what?
But no regulating
She cook? Me not buying a blood clot regulator. Me give her my money while she a blood clot cough. And me gas she want blood clot use till it pussy clot done. And me tell her, say me know what she use, me gas till it done. Cause them not buy not her. She's a piece of shit. I don't like the stinking woman. She over there play blood clot jig. So make she ever live down her aunt's beer. So make me eat her. Eat her, you see? First gift triple.
Don't they say that they call me?
Me have to move. Me can't stay here. Are you gonna get some stove? You have timey? When I come to go get your blood clot stove. Oh, you careless so? I know she don't even fit it up. She don't care. That's why me eat the blood clot, woman. I know she don't fit it up. She don't care. Oh. It is them business?
So she not call, she nobody call and ask if she's for what.
When me see the gas on the stove out, then I have to set it. So that you know me the blood, me not see it. I know she not fit up the gas. I know she not fit up the blood clot stove. If are we there, I will change that we going to go see it. One day, must be Monday or Tuesday.
So